Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar. Let's do the recap. Um, it is 1:32. This is the recap for January 23rd on a Thursday, and it is 1:32, and I just pressed the button to stop trading for the day. I learned from my mistake yesterday, and we implemented it, and I used Guardian Angel Trader, and I used the stop trading for the until tomorrow. So a great day of trading, honestly. Um, for the most part, I have one thing that kind of irritates me a little bit, but I'm not even mad. I'm not even upset. We did. Like I mentioned yesterday. Let's go over the bad news first. Um, Sorry, my camera's a little weird. So the bad news is, I mentioned this yesterday that I was really close to passing a top step 100K accounts, 5 of them. By being close, I meant $400 close. And unfortunately, um, yep, I lost those accounts by being just basically I'm kind of thankful because this morning when I started trading, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna trade my top step accounts and I'm gonna try to get those passed first before I move on to my Apex and Tradify accounts. So now I should not have traded this choppy, terrible opening we had. And of course, I I was like, it's only $400. And well, that $400 turned into 600, and then it turned into 800, then it turned into 1,000, and then I just went on tilt and ended up losing the account. So that part, it makes me really sad. But basically, that's what I was trading in this area. We did take the 3-minute opening range trade on Tradify accounts, and they were actually a loser, which makes this green day even better. We started out the day on these Tradify accounts. We started out on a $350 hole this morning. And yeah, I started trading once we broke above this 15-minute range. So once we broke above this, basically I was taking these pullback trades. I took this one, and this is where Trump started talking around 11. So I was like, I wasn't interested in trading during that time, thankfully. Very whipsawy. But I did take another trade. Basically, I was buying as whenever we would hit this opening range high, I kept buying this bounce, and yeah, that basically turned around my day on my Tradify accounts. And then didn't really trade again until right here. So when this rally is actually what I gained most of my profits on my Apex accounts. Just a great continuation of a move. I was actually so my final trade was a double top. I got in on this small pullback, and I got in here and I had my profit target set at a double top right here at the 970s, and I hit that. And then we started this pullback, and I was actually very, very tempted to take that trade. And I told myself, nope, not today. Not today. We are not going to give back profits. Now, of course, looking at this now, it would have worked perfectly, and this would have been a really good setup. But I was already very happy with a $900 profit day on my 150K Apex accounts and my Tradify accounts. And I actually probably should have switched to trading my 50K accounts. Just haven't been in the mood to trade my 50K fresh 50K accounts. Kind of want to get my trading turned around a little bit. But the last couple days, it has definitely helped my confidence, and I feel better about where I'm at in my trading. I don't know if it's just because of price action is a little bit better. Um, I do feel like I'm catching the right moves, thankfully. Obviously, that can change. I was pretty fortunate right here. Um, right here, this move lower, I actually stepped away from my desk, and I was doing something else, was distracted. So I don't know. Sometimes it's just I don't know luck. I mean, there is definitely luck involved, because who knows? I might have jumped in here, and who knows? I might have taken a loss here, and but anyway, that didn't happen. So let's not talk about it. But overall, just very happy with today, and this now puts us in another predicament. It really does put me in a predicament here about what I want to do tomorrow. And I don't know. I'm having a difficult time. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Um if I stream and I trade and I have a red day, I know that is really going to mess with me. And it's so weird, and I can't explain it. Like, I saw a comment that was like, why don't you just trade like this on stream? And I don't know. I mean, it's just, I can't explain it. I really can't. I know that there's definitely, I do feel like I trade differently off stream, and I could definitely tell this morning, um especially when I was trading my top step accounts. I mean, I didn't trade well at all, but I was very focused. I mean, it didn't convert into profits. Um I really don't have an answer, guys. I really don't. I miss streaming. At the same time, I would rather make money. So, do I think it's directly correlated to me dreaming, not making money versus making money, not streaming? I don't know. But right now, I can't really justify streaming. And I'm going to continue trading off stream, at least for now, and at least until we have a red day. Um, I think I don't know what else to do. Obviously, this is kind of bad timing because Monday, Tuesday, we're going to Patrick Whelan's office, and I'm going to be trading with Patrick Whelan. So if you want to see me Monday, Tuesday, that's where I'll be. I haven't really decided what I want to do as far as trading. I might just buy an eval. Um, I'm probably just going to buy an eval and trade that. I don't really want to trade my funded accounts on stream at Patrick Whelan's office. I just don't. The more pressure I put on myself, the worse I perform. I definitely am a firm believer in that. That the more pressure that I put on myself, and it's, streaming, copy trading multiple accounts, or copy trading 20 accounts, etc., etc., the more pressure I apply, the worse I perform. I feel very confident in saying that. So I'm not really planning on trading my funded accounts at Patrick Whelan's, at least not now. So I guess for now, I think it's kind of dumb for me to. I'm going to prioritize making money above streaming. I mean, that's just, I got to do that. We got to pay the bills. So I'm for now. I don't really plan on streaming tomorrow. I'm really sorry, and I do miss you guys, but I know you guys understand, and we'll continue to do these updates. And I'm almost, I'm not hoping for a red day at all, but once the red day comes, which we know it will, then I would feel good about streaming again the next day. But it's almost like I'm on a little bit of a green streak. I just don't want to do anything to jinx it or jeopardize that. So for now, I'm just going to keep doing what I've been doing and try to stay the course. Also, some of you were asking about if I trade different size. So today I was trading. Wow, look at this price action now. This is, yeah, I'm really happy I shut my trading off because this is where I would get trapped sometimes, especially if this continues to roll over this afternoon. Um, I'm going to be very happy that I walked away. But now I forget what I was going to say. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But regardless, I promise I will be back and we will be streaming again at some point. But for now, I have to prioritize my mental capital, and I really want to get these Apex 150K accounts and the Tradify accounts. I will really want to get them across and get a nice payout for maybe not January, but 1st of February. That really, really want to try to do that. So I'm going to put 100% of my focus on that. I might not even trade my 50K Apex accounts because I'm just going to be focusing on the 150Ks. Basically, I need to get those accounts to $9,000 in profit. So we're about $3,500 away. And you know, my goal is going to be around $600 to $800 profit per day is kind of my goal. Once I reach that, I want to shut it down. And you know, if we can have some consistent days and just build it up, we can take a really nice payout and really would improve and really would help my confidence. So hopefully we can get that going. But anyway, thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your guys' support. I really do appreciate it. Using my code with Tradify, using my code with Take Profit Trader, and using my code with Apex as well. Also, I don't want to get into this too much, but I was looking at Apex's countersuit against Leo, which is crazy. Anyway, some of that stuff, I almost want to jump on a stream just to talk with you guys about all of that stuff. Anyway, but it's time to end it. I'm rambling. Okay, take care, everybody. Appreciate it. I hope you guys have a green day and have a great rest of your day. Take care and God bless.